Hey guys, this short tutorial is for our new members. This is very important. We want you to set up your bank to your payment gateway or to your chosen option over here. So you need to go to this page, which is My Earnings. And to be able to go here, click the menu if you're using your cell phone. And on the menu over here, scroll down to My Earnings over here. All right. So I click the My Earnings and you will be on this page. Now on this page, all of us, USA and international member, you need to set this select your payment option. So I'm going to click that and you will be on this page. Now on this page, there is a question of what country you want to you are into. So I click United States and click submit and you will find this form. So for all USA members, our commission is directly deposited to our bank automatically every Thursday if you have bonuses, if you have commission. So all you have to do is place the name, the account holder name. That can be you or not. If you choose another bank account, it doesn't matter. Then click over here of if you want the savings or the checking. Okay, so I use my savings. So, and also don't forget to put your routing number over here, the routing number and the account number that you can see underneath your check. Okay, if you don't know the routing number, ask your bank. And after that, you have to save it. That's it. It's done for the USA members. Now, if you are from international, from other countries, you need to pick payment option number 2. This is a third-party payment gateway like PayPal. This is not owned by LiveGood. This is called Payout. So you're going to be setting up your global e-wallet. So you need to check this little circle box. So global e-wallet, you need to scroll down and you will see this form. Okay, fill out the form completely. And mind you, once you fill this out and you click register with iPayout, this form will vanish. So read everything here before submitting and make sure it is correct. Now after you submit this will you will receive an email from LiveGood and from iPayout. So that's then you can set up your personal bank details into this company from from iPayout company, and that is where there you will ask to send your if you want to take out your bonuses from the iPayout. Okay, they have different rules. You have to request your payment because you have to request your payment out to your bank from iPayout because LiveGood will automatically send your bonuses if you have weekly to your global e-wallet automatically, and then you will need to request for the transfer. All right, I want you to read here a note wherein if you use this for international members, if you use this, there will be a $1 per commission, no matter how much is the payout or the bonuses. Okay, there is a $1 fee for the transfer. And there is also a minimum threshold of $25 for to be able to receive to request for that. I mean to for LiveGood to automatically send it to your iPayout wallet. Okay, 25. If it's not 25 yet, so you're not going to receive it in your iPayout a third party account. Okay, the third option for international, if you are good With cryptocurrency, you can also request that to be sent to BitPay. So you're going to create your account with BitPay cryptocurrency, and I think there are more channel or wallet, cryptocurrency wallet here. So you put your email and save. Always save. Okay, guys, always save. That's it. Now, for international, again, I'm going to click my earnings. I need to go back there. Listen carefully. For international, to international members, this is special. I'm requesting all the international members to set their credit wallet. Credit wallet is inside LiveGood. Why are we requesting you to do that? So you won't be charged $1, or you will save on the transfer fee, because you want to collect your bonuses. Let's say you have $10 bonuses, um, 25, or you want to collect your bonuses here. Okay, so we need to set up this credit wallet, guys. So I'm gonna click that to show you how to set this. Okay, so credit wallet is your wallet inside LiveGood, wherein you can let your commission accumulate there, and once it is there, um, you can use that to pay your monthly membership, or to transfer to other members. If you want, you can transfer to me so I can send you through another uh, payment mode, or payment options. I'm doing that with my Filipino members. Actually, I'm sending it directly through their GCash, or any virtual wallet there, or bank, directly to their bank. So it saves them more transfer fee. So because once your bonuses in your credit wallet, you can transfer that bonus to me. Okay, that fund. So to set up your credit wallet inside your LiveGood account, you have to scroll down here, and you need to click this third option. So you have 1, 2, 3 options. I would like to credit all my earnings to my credit wallet account and then save it. That's it. Okay? You're not going to go back in this tab. Please, a lot of people are mistakenly doing something wrong here. Once you set it up, don't go back here, okay? Because all your earnings will be on the credit wallet tab. You will not set this anymore. So with me, I have the do not credit any of my earnings to my credit wallet, because I'm here in the United States and I want all my bonuses to go straight to my bank, unless you choose otherwise. Okay, read this carefully. All right, now I'm going to the earnings tab again, because I want to explain to you your credit wallet. Okay, I'm going to my earnings tab. Okay, so once you set up your payment options or your transfer commission to credit wallet, that's done. If you have money on your credit wallet, once you set this credit wallet tab or settings, all transactions should be here on your credit wallet. All right, this is your wallet inside LiveGood. So what you can do with your credit wallet, once again, you can transfer, you can use it to pay your membership, or you can buy products, something like that as well. If you go to your shop, you can see that you have fund in your credit wallet. You can also use that, or you can transfer credit to a person, or to your member, or to any other member. Here, this is called peer-to-peer. Okay, so other members are transferring fund from their credit wallet to my credit wallet, especially those in the Philippines, because I'm sending them through the virtual card to their bank, straight to their bank from my Remitly and Zoom. That is another application that I use because to send them easily and for a lesser charge. Okay, you're gonna save there a little bit than going to iPayout. Again, that is your option. If you don't want it to send it to me, you just set up your global e-wallet through iPayout. Okay, so this is a different thing. All right, in this credit wallet there's also a credit log, so uh that you can check who are your transaction in this credit wallet, so you will not be lost. Okay, this is the credit log over here. Everything that your whatever um, transaction you did with your fund in this credit wallet, you can find it here. All right, so that's for the tutorial right now, and if you have other questions, just message me. By the way, if you're transferring to another person, you can just use either the ID number or the username. You don't have to fill this out both. Okay, only one, one option here, either the ID or the username, and then that's it. All right. So I hope you understand this because this is very important to all new members. Okay. So thank you so much once again. This is your coach Lola here in California. Join the Global Income Builder team. LiveGood for Filipinos and international members, and we will guide you every step of the way. God bless you all. Thank you for watching.